Choose your idea. The first step in developing an Android app is to come up with an idea for what your app will do. Think about what problem you want to solve or what kind of experience you want to provide. Learn Java and Android SDK. Android apps are written in Java, so you will need to learn the basics of the language. You will also need to download and install the Android SDK, Software Development Kit, to start building your app. Design your app. Before you start coding, you should create a design for your app. This will include things like the layout, colors, and overall look and feel of your app. Start coding. Once you have a design in place, you can start coding your app. Use the Android SDK to create the basic structure of your app and add functionality as you go. Test your app. As you develop your app, you should test it on various devices and platforms to make sure it works correctly. You can use the Android emulator that comes with the SDK or test your app on a physical device. Publish your app. Once your app is ready, you can publish it to the Google Play Store for others to download and use. You will need to create a developer account and pay a one-time fee to publish your app. Keep updating your app. Once your app is live, you should keep updating it with new features and bug fixes to keep users engaged and improve its performance. You can also track the analytics of your app and see how it is performing. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates.